GoPro Mission 1 series of cameras. I've seen a lot of great videos online testing it out and showcasing just what this camera can do. However, most of the videos are shot using the GoPro and also a bunch of other cameras. So in a 10-minute video, you might have 5 minutes of GoPro footage, but you also have like 4 minutes of shots using a $3,000 or $4,000 camera. Maybe you have a couple of drone shots. And though you might know, because you can see it on screen, which shots are filmed with the GoPro, subconsciously, the shots that are filmed with much more expensive cameras oftentimes will influence just how good you think those GoPro shots are, because they're packaged together and are all one seamless thing that you consume. So with that in mind, that's a long way of saying I am going out today with my friends to northern New Hampshire, and I decided to bring along my new GoPro Mission 1 Pro camera because I wanted to test out vlogging exclusively with the GoPro camera. Every shot I need, whether it's a POV shot, a talking shot like this, a time lapse, whatever it is, it's going to be filmed on the GoPro Mission 1 Pro. So you're going to see the good, the bad, and possibly the ugly with this camera, so that you really have the best understanding of just what this camera can do and what it can't do. Like, there's nothing that's going to be hidden here. It's all going to be exposed. And that might not be the most entertaining video from a quality perspective, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is to show you what this camera can do. So if that's what you want, strap in, come along for the ride, and let's go see just what this camera can do. Oh, by the way, there's also not going to be any product shots of the GoPro itself in this video because, well, you already know what it looks like, and how could I get a shot of the camera itself when I'm filming on the camera? I mean, I guess I could use a mirror.
Oh, that's the
GoPro. The GoPro.
What's it called?
Mission 1 Pro.
We have one at Heinz.
Easiest. Yo, here we go. Roasting out.
Let's go, baby.
Here we are.
It's like a mini FX30.
Yeah, right? Yeah, totally. Let's just get a light, get a XLR mic on top. Yeah.
I could have brought something from Hunt's for you if you needed like
No, the challenge is we're doing just filmed on this. Literally only this.
Are they making you do that?
Hop in the car again and baby, let's try.
well, here it is.
That's it. That's it. We found it. This is the mini stream, Lost River stream. So here we are. We've finally made it to the Lost River Gorge. It's been found. I've had to recharge the GoPro at least one time in the car, so not great battery, but that's better battery than the Hero 13 for sure. And otherwise, yeah, time-lapsing. Maybe we'll get some slow-mo of the water or something, I don't know. But otherwise, I guess this is a good test of how the microphone works built into the GoPro when you have some noise going on, like a noisy river here just flowing, and I'm talking and I don't have a mic on myself. So yeah, we'll see how well it's actually picking up my voice now that I'm actually at the bottom of the gorge here in the Lost River. But all right, it's very beautiful. It might play on camera. Okay, that's all I need to hear to have me try to risk climbing in here.
It's not bad.
Little lantern there. I think that's actually a real lantern. right, so that was the full day of filming with the new GoPro Mission 1 Pro. It's a terrible name. Too many pros.
Pro, yeah.
But basically, how did the camera do? Well, that's not for me to tell you. That's for you to tell yourself because you can see all the footage. So we're just going to enjoy a nice evening, having dinner by the lake. Have a good day, guys. Peace out. Bye. Subscribe, like, comment. I don't know. You know what to do. Bye.